what happens when you snore is that the airway starts to partially collapse. And when it starts to partially collapse, like a straw that gets bent, you start to get these fluctuations, these eddies in the airway. And that's the partial collapsing of the airway. When the airway collapses completely, the straw goes flat effectively. That's when you stop breathing entirely. And you can be there for 15, 20 seconds and your blood oxygen saturation just starts to plummet. And at some point, your brainstem, which picks up the ratio of the gases in your bloodstream between carbon dioxide and oxygen, says, break glass in case of emergency.
Wake him up.
We've got to wake him up. And that's the moment where you hear, and you gasp and you're back up again. As a consequence, you're never going into deep sleep. You stay in those shallows of sleep.